How to get double XP in Duolingo. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Normally, you can earn up to 30 XP, 10 XP for completing a lesson, 5 XP for a full combo bonus, multiplied by 2 with a boost. You can earn up to 50 XP, 20 XP for completing the level, 5 XP for a full combo bonus multiplied by 2. Also, you can complete a legendary level and earn up to 90 XP with the boost active. When you earn a crown, you often receive an additional XP boost. So, with these simple tips, you can easily get double or earn more XP easily. So, I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.